What's up, guys? This is just a random video I'm doing about the BK1 Genesis Coupe 2010. Sending it out to Alphaspeed today. Little sound clip before I do it. Kilometers, 116,000 on it. It's fully bolt on. All the maintenance is up to date. Little sound clip for y'all. ISR, straight piped. So yeah, I'm sending it to get it tuned. I need to get it tuned because, like I said, it's full bolt on. Got some ESR rims on it, SR1s. Definitely gonna go lower. So yeah, just a little video of me taking my ECU out, shipping it out, parking it for now. And then yeah, let's get it done. Alright, so here's the ECU. We're gonna be taking this puppy out. Spark plugs, engine bay check, as you could see. Anyways, 10 milliliter, 3 10 milliliter bolts, and then this whole housing comes out. Okay, make sure you take the battery off, obviously. Okay, so once you pull it out, just 10 milliliter bolts right here. Now you take the ECU, put it in here, and then ship it out. Taking this puppy to the UPS. Time to send this out. And yep.
Weeks later.
Hey guys, so I finally got the ECU back, and yeah, got the spark plugs. I sent out my ECU about 2 weeks ago, 3 you could say. Tomorrow would be 3 weeks exactly. I sent it out August 14th. Today is September 2nd. Keep in mind I'm in Canada, so Eastern Canada. But yeah, this is the sparks, the ECU from BTR. They done it all up, tuned it, and yeah, I'm gonna put it together right now. See how it goes, how it turns out. Alright guys, so it's time to install the tune. I do apologize if it's windy. It is a windy day, so let's pop the hood and get this install started. 10 milliliter, 10, 10, and then take the plugs out. What everyone recommended to do was unhook this, and you just slide this up, and the brake burden goes on clip, and then you can just pull it up. So yeah, make sure you use the socket removal for the spark plugs. Just unscrew that bad boy out. Then you want to make sure you cover it with a cloth or something to make sure nothing falls out there. So cover that up, and then we'll stick it in a second. So once you get the spark out, I'll show you the differences once it zooms in. So these seem like they've been there for a while. I'm not sure if the previous owner changed it. Make sure it zooms in. And this is the new NGK. One step colder. Want to make sure that the gap is good on that. So we'll check the gap right now. So already gapped it. As you can see, about 128. That's what BTR told me to be at. So let's put that bad boy in. Now we just put it back. Same as the reverse. Let me check to make sure. The password again. See if it came back. Oops. Put the coil back in, snap it in place, click it in, and then click it in. There you go. So we know that we did this one. Off to the second one we go. Don't want to make this video too long, so just going to speed this part up and jump to the last spark plug in the next clip, just to make this video a bit shorter. The concept is the same with all the plugs and spark plugs, so just rinse and repeat. Alright, so we put the new spark plug in, tightening it up. Make sure it's not over tight. Lift her up. And the coil. And we are done with the plugs. Off to the next step. This. In. Snap this bitch in. Close. Makes sense. Good. Now we hook on the battery because I didn't do that. Forgot to put the ECU in the bracket, so I'm gonna take it out again, put it in the bracket, and then start her up, hops. Doing a little pull for you guys. Oh yeah. Nice little pops. Guys, this is the aftermath of the tune, and this is just an overview. First impressions, you guys gotta get a tune. Wakes the whole car completely. And the feel, don't mind it's a bit dirty, been sitting for 3 weeks, right? But the feel of the whole car is insane. The car feels smoother, shifts smoother, no rev hang, 1-for-1 throttle or whatever you want to call it. And it's in general, like, just feels crazy. The boost increase too. I do find with the BK1s, it's a known issue if you tune them up, that the clutch slips. I only found that when I was doing my pulls at higher gears, around like 5th gear, 6th gear. That's when the clutch kind of let goes. But lower gear, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, higher RPMs, it fucking holds on. So would I recommend this tune? Most definitely. For the BK1s, it's like I said, I used it for the first day. Funny enough, I had my blow-off valve bypass, and one of the tubes I didn't clamp previously, and I never had issues, but this time I was pushing higher PSI and the whole clamp fucking flew off. But just put a whole zip tie and now it's mint. But in general, guys, I definitely would recommend getting a tune. Wakes the whole car up. Car feels like it drives better. It feels like the car is thanking me. And yeah, in general, the only thing I kind of meh about is the launch control. I was expecting it to be more aggressive. I'll put the clip in right now. But yeah, it's not as aggressive as I was hoping, but hey, who cares? I mean, it is there. I'd recommend probably to go with a 3,500 RPMs, not 4K like I went, if you want a more aggressive pops. But in general, I'm very happy, very satisfied. The car is definitely happy too. And yeah, would definitely recommend to get a tune, guys. It's very easy. I'd say 9 out of 10 experience. The only reason it's not a 10, it's because of the launch control and the shipping times. But who cares? I still got the car now. It's very happy with the results. And yeah, to the next parts of the builds, the next video is probably going to be my coil, so I'm going doing that after storage. The lip, I want to add the BK1 lip that everyone goes for. So I have big plans. I'm fully bolt-on now, minus the intercooler. I don't have the intercooler, but maybe down the line I will add it. But everything else I'm fully bolt-on. So I'm fully excited to see. Had this car for 2 years. I'm like the 3rd owner, so it treats me well. Very happy with the BK1s. I know I have a couple buddies that have the BK2s, and now I can finally keep up and race with Civics and keep up with soccer moms. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you guys want, I'll post some clips of me doing some pulls. But yeah, in general, highly recommend. It's a whole different car now. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy.